Welcome to our kitchen. First off, the star of the dish, the shrimp. Freshly peeled and deveined shrimp get a luxurious bath in a marinade that's a symphony of flavors. Soy sauce, minced ginger, crushed garlic, and a splash of rice vinegar come together, infusing the shrimp with a savory, tangy, and slightly spicy undertone. The shrimp bask in this marinade, soaking up every bit of flavor, preparing to dazzle taste buds. While the shrimp marinates, turn your attention to the vibrant veggies. Thinly sliced bell peppers, snap peas, and sliced carrots are set to sizzle in a hot wok or large skillet. A drizzle of oil in the heated pan, and in go the vegetables. They dance around in the pan, their colors becoming more vibrant, their textures turning crisp tender, their flavors intensifying with the heat. Stir-frying, a technique that's as mesmerizing as it is delicious. Now, it's time for the marinated shrimp to join the party. They slide into the skillet, meeting the sizzling vegetables. The heat turns the shrimp a blushing shade of pink, their flesh becoming opaque. As the shrimp cooks, it releases its flavors into the pan, mingling with the vegetables, creating a harmony of taste and aroma that fills the kitchen. The final act is to plate this symphony of flavors. Cooked jasmine rice, fluffy and fragrant, forms the base. On top of this, the shrimp and vegetables are generously layered, their colors and textures creating a feast for the eyes. A garnish of sliced green onions and a sprinkle of sesame seeds, and the dish is complete. So there it is, a shrimp stir-fry with ginger and vegetables. A dish that's vibrant, flavorful, and incredibly satisfying. It's a testament to the magic that happens when fresh ingredients meet simple techniques, creating a dish that's more than the sum of its parts. It's the joy of cooking, the pleasure of eating, and the love of sharing a good meal. Bon appetit!